Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, Monday, May the 2nd, 2022. I have already solved two puzzles, Sudoku with 3 stars and the binary. So now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars and number 4492. 4492. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 12 printed digits. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. First question. Can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here one single box. Always a 1. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes here? I see here dual box, dual box, dual box. Contains the 1 and 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also dual box. I need more information. So let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order. Alright. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes. See only one quadra box. Contains the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Well, we have a 2 there. So these 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. Only one quadra box. Then my following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the T shape. We have a T shape here. Let me draw the T shape, and there. Here we have a T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. Okay. T shape. This box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Alright. T shape. Here another one. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. T shape upside down. This box has the same box as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. T shape. Yeah, another one. Wow, this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2, and that box has the same name as this box. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, only one figure or shape in this puzzle. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright. We see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Only a 1 shape in this puzzle. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only for the maximum is 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. The question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step then it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here. Could be there. Alright. Then this box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here. Could be there. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 5, that box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Ooh, yeah. 5. I'm thinking. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Two boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and a 3. Well, I cannot place the 2 here. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be there and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1 and a 2. It cannot be a 2 anymore, so this box should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Now we have 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright, 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Well, I cannot place the 3 here. We have a double 3 there. So, if I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here, and the 5 it goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. This box is also connected with that box. So we also the 1 or a 5. So 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Okay, let me mark those. This box is connected with that box. So we also 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Okay, this box is also connected with that box. So we also 3 and a 4. Cannot be a 5 anymore. So not the solution to place the 5 there. It should be 3 and a 4. It's connected, and this is connected with that box. So I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes in there. Okay. One of the missing number in this area is the 2. Well, the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I'm thinking. These 2 boxes can be a 5, So the 5 could be here, could be there. If I place the 5 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also 5. But we already have a 5 here. So it's also not a solution to place the 5 there. These two boxes also no 5, so one box left for the 5 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Okay. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 it goes there. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Well, this box is connected with that box, and we have a 5 here, so it can't be a 5 anymore. So this box should be a 4, and that box should be a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and a 2. Let me mark those. This box is connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 2. Okay. 3 and a 4. 2 is missing, and a 1 is missing. Let me think. 1 and a 2. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So only place left for the 1 should be here. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Let me mark those, 2 and 3. That means that this box can be 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. If I place a 2 or a 3 there, I cannot fill any 2 or a 3 in those two boxes. So the 2 and a 3 goes in these two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Well, I cannot place the 2 here. We have a double 2 there. So this should be a 3, and that box should be a 2. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 4. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this quadrat box for numbers 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and a 4. 1 and a 2. We already have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Overlook this 2. Overlook this 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Okay. Then 3, 4, and a 2. I'm missing the 2 here. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3, 4, and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 1. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 to 4. 3 to 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Okay. Interesting. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 2, and also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 4. 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for number 2. And the 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left in this area for number 2. And the 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 1. Finish in 60 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow on a Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.